Are you feeling stressed or tense? You're not alone. Tension is a common response to stress, and it can affect both your body and mind. The good news is that there are various strategies to manage this tension involving both physical and mental aspects. From deep breathing exercises and progressive muscle relaxation to identifying stressors and setting boundaries, this video will provide you with an array of strategies to help you navigate through life's stresses. Stay tuned as we delve into strategies that may help alleviate tension. Firstly, deep breathing and progressive muscle relaxation, or PMR, can be highly effective. Let's start with deep breathing. Inhale slowly through your nose, hold it for a few seconds, then gently exhale through your mouth. This simple exercise works wonders in calming your mind and relaxing your body. Now, moving on to PMR. This involves tensing and then gradually releasing different muscle groups in your body. Start from your toes, working your way up to your head. The tension and release process helps in reducing physical stress. Both these strategies, deep breathing and PMR, bring about a sense of tranquility, helping you combat the daily stresses of life. Remember, it takes practice, but the results can be genuinely transformative. Moving on, physical activity, stretching, and mindfulness meditation are excellent strategies for reducing tension. Physical activity is a powerful tension buster. Whether it's a brisk walk, a jog, or a workout routine, it releases endorphins, our body's natural mood lifters, and helps to dissipate the built-up tension. Then we have stretching, which targets specific muscle groups. When you feel tightness, take a moment to stretch. Not only does it improve flexibility, but it also promotes relaxation and eases tension in those areas. Lastly, mindfulness meditation. This technique brings your attention to the present moment. By focusing on your breath or a simple mantra, you can let go of anxious thoughts and allow your mind to settle. It's a mental massage, melting away the mental tension. These strategies can be incorporated into your daily routine to effectively manage tension. So get moving, stretch out, and find your moment of zen. You'll feel the difference. Lastly, identifying stressors, setting boundaries, and expressing yourself are vital steps in managing tension. When we pinpoint the sources of our stress, we can begin to address and manage them effectively. It's like solving a mystery. Once you know the culprit, you're halfway to resolution. Setting boundaries is another crucial step. It's about learning to say no when necessary and not overloading ourselves with responsibilities. Imagine you're a boat, too much weight, and you'll sink. By setting clear boundaries, we ensure our boat stays afloat. Expressing yourself is the last piece of this puzzle. It's about giving voice to your feelings and thoughts, whether through conversation, writing, or any other form of expression. It's like releasing pressure from a steam kettle. The more you let out, the less tension builds up inside. These steps, identifying stressors, setting boundaries, and expressing yourself, are not just about managing stress, but improving overall well-being. These steps can lead to significant improvements in your overall stress and tension levels. To recap, we've covered various strategies to help reduce tension, from deep breathing and PMR to identifying stressors and setting boundaries. We've explored the benefits of physical activity and stretching, the calming effects of mindfulness meditation, and the importance of taking breaks. We've also discussed the relief that can come from expressing yourself and the power of laughter in releasing endorphins. We've reminded you of the soothing potential of a warm bath or shower, the need to limit stimulants, and the importance of adequate sleep. Keep in mind you may need to experiment with these strategies to find what works best for you. Remember, managing stress and tension is vital for your well-being. If tension persists or becomes overwhelming, consider seeking support from a mental health professional.